Bernal, pakita mo kung sino ka. 2 points. De La Cruz, jersey number 27, 2 points.
Dok, tingin sa camera.
Alturas to Coronel. To Alturas to Coronel again. No good. Bartolay.
Let's go. Kita, Dok, kita.
Traveling violation.
Mas mabigat pa ata sa yung bola kay Dok.
Jomar to Bartolay. To Bernal, pakita mo.
Nice D. Nice D. Ha?
Hindi.
Alturas to Coronel. To Bartolay. 8 second shot clock. 3 second shot clock. Maruhong to De La Cruz. Slasher ball.
Let's go. Good. Wala.
Eric. Pass to Jomar. Back to Eric. Eric nakalusot. 2 points.
Legal contact.
Knockout, sabi ni Ref. Counted.
Counted yun, dapat tawag lang. No foul lang.
Ebdani to Maruhong. Jersey number 28. 2 points by jersey number 28.
Mag-isa lang.
There's a call.
Wala. Nice foul.
Foul jersey number 27. Maruhong. First personal foul and first team foul.
Titingin dito.
Unang bato.
Knock.
Pasok. Tirang salmon daw, sabi ni Mr. Texter. Salmon ba o wala? Wala. Maruhong to jersey number 18. Nakalusot na naman. Napakagandang kalawang pinapakita ni jersey number 18. Jomar to Bartolay. Reverse shot, no good. Nag-aagot. Bernal, 2 points. Score po natin 24-21. Sorry, 21-28. Ebdani, 2 points. Intercepted.
Pinasa na daw.
Eric! Salmon ba o wala?
Inload slide. Ginanod si Bobok. Tinoy! Tinamaan si Bobok eh. Jumble to, jumble.
Sa decision.
Yeris call siya ang ano. Tingnan ko siya kung anong decision.
Ano po yung tawag? Same ball daw. Same ball. Walang foul.
Kaya hindi ako nag-decide agad kasi tinitin ko. Pero kung ako ano doon. Load line, itin load line. Huli! Wala, sa kanila.
Jump ball.
Nice one.
Iikot na po natin ang araw. Shoutout sa ating mga nanonood sa kanan, mga kibire-kibire. Dani nakawala. Muntik na. Rebounded by Ricky. Pass to Eric. Eric 1000cc. Intercepted. Remaining time exactly 5 minutes. Jersey number 18 intercepted. Bernal, pakita mo. Pinasa, nakakapagta ka. Binalik ulit. 2 points. Score 26-30. Abordo to Dani. Desacol. Foul jersey number 10, Javier. Substitution. Alturos out. Salazarin. Second throw no good. Bernal. Pakita mo kung sino ka ulit. Same ball. Bernal intercepted.
Likod!
Easy 2 points by jersey number 18. Salazar. There's a call. Foul jersey number 18.
Huli, sayang.
Eric boarding. Lumabas pa. Lumusot sa likod.
Same ball.
Tulak pa.
Slasher ball.
Sayang.
Eric 1000cc nakalusot. Hindi sa call. Oh, jersey number 5. Dalawang hagis. Substitution 5. Abordo out. 15 in. Bersamina. Final shot. Exactly 2 minutes. Ten seconds shot clock. Jersey number 18, 2 points.
Nice pass. Nice knock.
Salazar. Hindi nakalusot. Like ball.
Lapit kasi, no?
Salazar pumukul ng 3. No good. Substitution. Bernal out. Valdez in. Grabe naman yung pinalitan. Coronel. Cooper. Iba talaga pag magkamukha. Seconds shot clock. Last 1 minute. Traveling violation.
Brother.
Salazar, naghahanap ng papasahan. Pass to Eric. Boarding, no good. Valdez, binato ang bola. Back to Eric. Last ball, last touch, Gerard ball.
Maniwala kayo, technical kayo. Bahala kayo ha. Ako, nagsabi na ako.
25 seconds. 20 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. There's a goal. Foul counted. Foul jersey number 12. 18, sorry. 17 seconds shot clock. $15 seconds. 10 seconds remaining time.
Ay, sige!
5 seconds. 5 seconds.
Luwag, luwag, luwag!
Gineli pa.
Lolyo pa?
One pong oras. End of the second quarter.
Bawal na tayo.
Score 29-38. Lamang ang may lamang.